Today I'm participating in a Co's Collab. It's a Dollar Tree hot cocoa bar, and I want you to go visit the ladies that are participating. Go ahead over to Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle, at Penny's Place, Delicia At Home, Glam Queen of Decor, Inspirationbycp, Karen's Style of Life, and Shawni On The Spot. And if you look at this coffee bar, there is nothing that I have purchased that has not come from Dollar Tree. Of course, if you like hot cocoa, you can get your Swiss Miss with marshmallows, or you can buy their fluffy marshmallows I have here. And as you can see, the glasses that they're in came from no other than Dollar Tree. And we have the peppermint sticks. They came from Dollar Tree. Now these stirrers down here on the bottom, they have hazelnut chocolate in them, and they're surrounded by a crispy wafer. I'm sure some of you had them. Super good. Now I actually have this little sign here. It says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." I got this little top hat from Dollar Tree, and I love the way everything matches. I love the joy sign, the Noel sign, and this time I was actually able to get the last, look at this, Merry Christmas truck. It's all the way in the back. I love it with the little bitty Christmas tree hanging off in the back. I made this little Swiss Miss holder. Basically, all I did was took one of my signs. This one says joy. And you see this, believe in the magic of Christmas. You just turn it over and you can use it as a box to carry or hold anything. So that's how I made that. These bowls, they were $1. So I love the theme. So happy to participate in this collab. I like to take this time to especially thank Shangie. She is one of the sweetest YouTube sisters on YouTube on this platform. I absolutely could not say anything but yes, because she's just so sweet to do a DIY, and I did do one. I'm going to zoom in on what it is. Let's see if you can tell. All right, I panned the table. I finished panning the bar. Let me know in the comments if you can tell. If you don't want to guess, it was these coffee mugs. I just DIY'd them with some metallic paint pens or markers. They're supposed to be permanent, and you can just write on here what you like. You can put your name, you can put your initials, you can put a jolly or joy word on there, anything that makes you smile. This platter came from Dollar Tree. Let me go over what's in it really quick. Now next to the chocolate spoons are these wafers that are rolled up, and on the inside they have this hazelnut filling. So good. I've got the peppermint bark popcorn, and I've just got a couple of the malted milk balls spreaded or sprinkled within the platter. And of course I've got my favorite. This is just my favorite. I like the strawberry wafers, guys. Since I was a kid, I do have some vanilla ones. All right, so this is what my coffee hot chocolate bar looks like, and I'm going to show you how I did this cute little DIY. And these mugs came from Dollar Tree. So I've got my two items. All right, I got this metallic gold marker. It's supposed to be permanent, from Dollar Tree, along with this candy cane mug. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking this out the package. I've got my glove on because I just want to make sure I don't get any of this on me. So we're just going to write the simple word joy. after this, I will actually not have anything left in my kitchen. This will be what I pack up last. I saved it for the end. We had a lot of notice. So thanks for all of that advance notice, Shangie, because it comes in handy when you are packing up to move into a new place. And so I was able to keep this out. This is my coffee bar. I was able to keep that in its place until I finished filming this. So again, thank you so much for the invite. And you guys go on over there to the other ladies' channels and check them out. And I will see you on the next one. Happy holidays.